Good morning, dear students. How are you all? Okay, hope you all are well. You all are staying at home and taking care of yourselves. Okay, so let's start today's computer class. As in previous classes, we have already completed some topics of chapter 1, computer, a smart machine. We have discussed about the comparison between computer and men, and we have learned about different fields where we use this computer. Okay, so now today we will discuss next chapter, which is types of computers. Okay, so as you all can see here, computer is classified into four types. First is desktop computer, second is laptop computer, third is tablet, and fourth one is a smartphone. Okay, so here you may be surprised that smartphone is also a computer. Okay, yes, it is. Okay, one by one I will explain you all these four types. Okay, so see, nowadays computers are very popular. They are used in almost every field. Initially when computers were introduced, so they were very big in size. Do you know the size of computers were approximately the size of a room? So that was the size of a computer. Okay, like a room. But as technology developed and after working on it, now computers are available in very small size. Okay, in our computer labs you all have seen the computers that we use are called desktop computer. These computers are kept on desk. Okay, and they has one CPU with it, of separate CPU, and a mouse and a keyboard. These are basic parts of a desktop computer. Okay, it is a general purpose computer which is used by people for different works. Okay, desktop computer, they are big in size if we compare it with laptop and tablet computers. So these computers looks large in size and they are kept on the desk or a table, as I was saying. Okay, except this I have explained you that all these three parts you can see here. This box, okay, this one, it is called CPU. This one is mouse. This is the keyboard. So keyboard and mouse, these two are input devices, and this CPU, it is the brain of computer system, which is used for performing all the logical and analytical task. Okay, come to the next type, which is a laptop computer. Okay, it is called a laptop computer because it can be kept in our labs. Keeping in your labs, you can work easily. These laptops are small in size and very much portable means you can take them from one place to another very easily. This is the picture of a laptop computer. Okay, keyboard is built on the one part of this laptop computer, and CPU is built inside this laptop. Okay, inside in the form of a chip. The CPU is fixed inside it. Okay, so all the parts are included. In place of mouse, there is a touchpad on a laptop. Okay, and these are most popular computers because these are portable means आप इसको easily कहीं भी कैरी कर सकते हो. ठीक है, आप ऑफिस, पापा ऑफिस लेके जा सकते हैं, मम्मी स्कूल लेके जा सकते हैं. easily हम इसे ट्रैवलिंग में भी easily इसको लेकर जा सकते हैं. That's why these computers are very popular. Okay, and they have same features like a desktop computer. Next type of computer is a tablet computer. These are larger than a mobile phone but smaller than a laptop. It has a touch screen on which we can write using a special purpose pen, which is called the light pen. Okay, so these are called tablets. These are also popular but less than laptops. Okay, and last is smartphone. Smartphone is a mobile phone that let you make calls, send messages, and store phone numbers. It can also be used to share images and videos, read emails, and search information on the internet. Like nowadays we are doing each and everything on a mobile phone, that normally we were using computers for that. Okay, normally we were using computers for making videos and for making presentations and recording anything, but nowadays we are using mobile phones for all these purposes. So it is also very popular nowadays, especially for taking live classes. It is very much useful. Normal people, suppose if you are not having computer system, still you can continue your study with a mobile phone. Okay, so these all are the types of computers. Next part we have exercise, in which you have to complete these exercise part A, B and C. Fill in the blank, true and false, and C, matching part. Okay, so for one by one I will explain you about these. First fill in the blank is a computer works on a men's, means computer work कैसे करता है, men's, on men's order, because it needs men's order to work. A computer is used for keeping of all items. What it can, the record of all item, keeping records of all items, means we can store information in computer system. Okay, it is also used for designing. What we can design? Can we design tickets, car, records, orders? We can design cars. Okay, in the designing part we have learned about it. Fourth is a computer can be used for printing tickets. In the field of railway reservation or any kind of reservation, we can use computers, and we can also use it for the printing purpose, printing of tickets. Anything we can take out the printout from the computer, like you can take out printout of any document, you can take out printout of any picture, but here in the hint it's given tickets, so you will write tickets only. Okay, next is true and false part. We cannot draw pictures on a computer. It is false, because we have drawn pictures on a computer in previous classes, you all knows about it. Okay, so first one will be false. Next is desktop computers are big in size. It is true. Computers are used in offices for calculating marks. It will be wrong, because mark calculation is the part, it is done in the schools, not in offices. So third one will be false. Fourth is computers are used in hospital for preparing medical reports. It is true. In hospitals computers are used for preparing reports, so it will be true. This one will be false. It will also and it is true, and first is false. Okay, next is match the following. Match part A with B. Some options are given in A part, and in B part you have to match it accordingly. To send rockets, a computer is used for all these things, and where it is used, you have to, these are all the fields, so you have to match the use with correct field. So to send rockets to space, rockets कहाँ send करेंगे, space में. Printing bills at shops. Okay, it has touch screen. What has a touch screen? Right now I explained you in types of computer. It is tablet computer. Next is making timetable in schools, and last is to book tickets, railways and airports. Okay, so I hope it's clear to you. Complete all these three parts. Okay, that's all for today. Take care of yourselves. Bye.